Welcome back, guys, to another video. So today I'll be showing you guys how to make the wooden grain effect, so it could look like a table or anything else you guys want it to be. So yeah, let's get right into it. Here, to get started, open a new document and use a paint bucket to make it brown, so just like this. So next up, go to filter, noise, add noise, and make it about 5 to 7%. Make it 5, that's all good. And make, so when here, make sure it's on monochromatic and on Gaussian, so it's like that. And you have this noise on your document. Next up, go to filter, render, clouds, and this will add clouds onto the thing. And go to fade clouds, make it to around 20-25%. That should be all good. So next up, go to distort, wave, and just copy all these settings I have right here. And once you've done that, make sure it's on wraparound and click OK. That'll just this. If you want, you can go to blur, Gaussian blur, make it like 1 pixel. Go to filter, liquify, and just like whatever you want to this. So I'll just make it just make it look more realistic. Do anything you want with it. So let's just say I'm done. So once you've done that, you can just duplicate this, duplicated, and press Ctrl Shift U. That'll just saturate it. Desaturate the layer. So go to the lighting effect thingies and press hard light. That'll just like do this, which will make it look like realistic. Make the opacity down to like around 15, 20%, 16%. And once you've done that, just Control T or Command T, make it a bit bigger. And yeah, there you go. That looks like a wooden table or a wooden door or whatever you guys want it to be. You can go to the settings where you actually like distort it over here and change it around if you want. If I do this, so if I go back to here, let me just add the clouds again. And go to edit and just fade the clouds to like 25%. So if I go to here, distort, wave, you can make it whatever you want. That should be fine. Well, that looks like a bit less realistic, but it's still good. But this looks more realistic than the other one. So yeah, that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.